Hey guys, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. In today's video, I am going to be grilling some beef kebab. Okay, today's video, I am making the most juiciest, delicious, succulent beef kebab you ever tasted in your life. Okay, so stay tuned so you can see how I achieve these beef kebabs. They taste amazing. They're super juicy. I don't know what to say about these. They're just so good. If you're interested, keep on watching. Be sure you are subscribed, like the video, and let's get started. I am starting with a big old beef chunk. So what I am going to do, I am going to cut it in half because it's really thick. Once you're done with that part, you're going to clean your meat. Okay, you're going to use some lemon, lime, vinegar, whatever you have, but I am using lime for today's video. I am just going to pour the lime juice all over it. Once you're done adding your lime, I am going to add water to rinse it off. Before I do, I have to remove this big old chunk of fat. Yeah, just remove it. By the way, this is about 1.5 pounds of beef. So yeah. And all the ingredients will be down below for you guys, so check it out so you can see the exact measurement on the ingredients. Okay, we're going to rub the lime all over it, and then we're going to add the water. This is just room temperature water. Just pour it on there, rinse it off. All right, once I am done, I am going to do some more cutting. What I am trying to achieve here, I am going to make sure all my beef pieces are equal sizes. Okay, so what I am going to do, I'm going to do one more cut in the middle, so they can cook faster. You don't want it to be too big. It will take forever to cook. I want a nice square, exact same size of beef. So that's what I am doing right now. Just keep cutting them the same side so it can just look very uniform. Okay, this is how it looks, nice and uniform. Come on. All right, we got that down. I am going to do the rest. Just cut it. A little zoom in action for y'all. My knife was not working with me, you guys, even though I sharpened this knife before I start filming, but it wasn't working. And this is one of the favorite knife. I always like to use it. What I am going to do, like you guys can see, I'm using the other one as a, what do you call that? As a template, I guess, to make sure I have them even, cut them even. Whoosh, that knife, man, oh man. Maybe it's just the beef, but it cut the vegetables really nicely. Now, time to cut the green bell pepper. Now, you can use all colors that you want, but the colors that I am using today are green, red, and yellow. Yes, you can use any color that you want as long as it's nice and colorful. So yeah, I am going to cut them just like I cut the beef. I want them to be exact same size as the beef, so you know it can be really nice and organized if you guys are having any party for Halloween or something, or December. This is an idea. You guys can definitely make this at a party or any, you know, chill day, anything you're having, a dinner or something at your house. But next, I am using onions. You can use red onions, but I am using yellow onions. By the way, these onions were really small. I wish I could find the bigger one, but this is the only one I had, so that's what I am going to be using. Now, to make sure they're the same size, like I said, I am using the other one as a template. I did measure it by the meat, so I have the same size as the meat. So now I am going to add all the peppers and the onion in there. And now time to marinate this beef. Alrighty, now what I am going to use is the Island Vibe seasoning to marinate this beef. I know, if you don't have the Island Vibe seasoning, steak seasoning will do. If you have steak seasoning, use it. Okay, my friend? Thank you. Now the link for you to purchase Island Vibe seasoning will be down below. Check it out. It tastes amazing, trust me. Now I am adding salt and pepper and as well as some lime juice, okay? Next, I am going to add Worcestershire. I don't even know. I will leave it down below. Worcestershire sauce. All right, next I am going to add I want some fresh garlic taste to it. So I am going to add some minced garlic, not really chopped garlic in there. And as well as some parsley, some chopped parsley. Just roughly chop them up and just add it about maybe I'll say a teaspoon. Just add that in there. It will give it a nice fresh flavor. Now all you have to do is use your hand, make sure all the beef are nice and well combined with the seasoning. Just run your fingers through it all over the beef. Now I am going to let this marinate for 4 hours. It's best to do it overnight, but I left it for 4 hours. This is how it looks about 4 hours later. Now I am using wood skewers. You can use the metal one. I didn't have any, but be sure to soak them in water like so right here for about 30 minutes so they don't burn. But this is how they look. We're going to be using these skewers. All right, I am going to do a nice color coordinate thingy here, but you can feel free to add whatever you want to add. I added 2 peppers, 1 meat, 2 peppers, 1 meat. You can add any colors that you like. Yeah, I am going to be doing the same thing for the rest of them. This is the first one. I am showing you guys how I do it. Yeah, I was trying to decide what color I want. And make sure not to put them too close together because you want the side of it to cook. So try not to put them too close. Kind of loosen them up a little bit, you know, so they can cook in between. This is how it looks. It's nice and pretty. Alrighty, now this is all of them. I am going to grill them. I'm not sure what temperature that is. I am using a gas grill. You can use a charcoal grill if you have one as well. So we're just going to add that on there and let each side cook for about 20 minutes. Now, this is 20 minutes later. I was trying to use my gloves here. It wasn't working. I started using my fingers. I should have used something to help me, but I got burned a few times, but that's okay. That's all right. But as you guys can see, my skewers kind of burnt a little. Not a little, a lot actually. But if you have metal skewers, like I said, use them instead. But this is how my skewers look, burnt, but it still came out pretty delicious. This is how they look. I'm flipping them over, and make sure you cook them on low and slow so your meat can cook all the way through, you know, all the way through inside. This is how it looks once it's done. Ta-da! This is it, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoy watching the video. I'm hoping you will get something out of this. It tastes amazing. I added some fresh parsley all over it. Salt Bay over here. Okay. I added some fresh parsley. And basically that is it. Look how beautiful this look, you guys. It looks so pretty and it tastes really, really good. It tastes amazing. I want to know what you guys think about this dish. Let me know down below if you guys try beef kebab. I like chicken kebabs too. Let me know, or let me know if you guys want me to try or do any other videos down below. What do you want me to do next? Down below. Stay tuned for more videos. I've seen you guys commenting. I really appreciate it. Be sure you share the video if you find it helpful. Share it with your friends so they can, come watch me cook. And if they don't know how to cook, you hook them up. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.